Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again with another Amazon unboxing to do. It is Wednesday the 28th, and it's Hump Day, the last day of the month. Definitely excited for March to come up. Closer to my birthday in April. There we go. And you guys can get one of these at a low cost. Check them out. The links are going to be down below. I do believe I might have a discount code. Just gotta double check my emails. And whoa, this is nice. We get the YEE Discovery Action Camera. Portable, lightweight. Oh, come on. 2-inch LCD screen, 4K, 20 frames per second, 8 megapixel sensor, Wi-Fi support, which is always good. YIT Technology, YTI. Check them out. They're on Amazon. Take advantage of Amazon Prime. Be a nice little gift, birthday gifts. Just because gift. Oh, Mother's Day is coming up. There we go. So I'm going to download the app. All that good stuff. But we shall see what this thing looks like. We made it. We made it through this month. Come on. There it is. Thought I got it good. I was off. Here we go. Bada boom. Ooh, look at that. Camera time. Empty. We got the YI. Yeah. Check them out. We got batteries. And got the USB charger right here. Bada boom. There we go. Too much whiteness. Damn. Come on, camera. Normal USB. There we go. We got the battery. This might be a backup battery, but I think it might just come with one. Oh my God, come on. Here we go. And there's the screen. Boom. Where do we stick the battery? Do. Uh-oh. I might have to use instructions. Where do we put the battery at? Number 8. Uh-huh. Heck. Oh, there it is. Whew. Getting kind of nervous. There we go. Let's remove this thing. Aha. Here's the YEE. YI. Hey, this ain't too bad. I don't know if you guys could see. I gotta find a SIM card. SD card. Might use this for my recordings. Who knows? Give it a shot. This is nice. Nice and lightweight. And like I said, it says it is Wi-Fi. Maybe you can use it for like a spy cam. Awesome. See the features. I got the 4K. Oh man. We got the mic. And well, you get my drift. Definitely nice cam though. Boom. Alright, YouTubers, check them out on Amazon Prime. Take advantage. Smart cam or Wi-Fi cam. 4K. Boom. Alright, get one at a low cost. You guys be safe, and I got another one coming up. See ya.